Derek Davidson, People's Telephone. We've been in business since 1952, serve about 26,000 subscribers, about 19 counties in Northeast Texas. Probably the biggest way is providing high-speed connectivity. We can provide up to 400 gig connections to rural towns all throughout Northeast Texas. That's going to help with growth and economic development. Be able to provide big data centers or whatever needs access in those rural areas. And then besides connectivity, we have a People's Impact Foundation. We are able to donate and sponsor over 125 organizations each year. So we've been with NRTC about 14 years or so now. We were initially looking for a tech support company that could help us better than the one we currently had at the time. Really liked the processes that NRTC had, and the fact that the call center agents could really relate to our customer base was a big plus for us. As soon as we have a big influx of calls because of a fiber cut, something like that, they're able to take on those calls for us, and I think that really helps us. You had the email, DNS, DHCP, CALIA services to start with. Been with OpIntel, so we were one of the beta members of OpIntel. Cybersecurity, we've used some of your cybersecurity products as well. It's got to be the people. The people are very knowledgeable, professional. I think that goes a long way. I've talked to several people, recommended you guys plenty of times. So that's one of the biggest things I think. I think you guys are invested in our success. I don't know. I'd probably have to go with some type of Asian food.